The future of public service is digital. Words from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness as he called on Jamaica's youth to lead the modernization of the public sector through technology and innovation. Alia Bryant explains.
A smarter, more efficient government starts with innovation. The view of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. He reasons bureaucracy and outdated processes are holding back the progress of the nation. It is why he's urging young leaders to champion smart solutions that make the public sector more efficient. The Prime Minister was speaking at a Generation 2000 G2K forum at the University of the West Indies, Mona, Tuesday.
The feature that once guaranteed fairness now often slows decision-making and approvals, penalizes risk-taking, and rewards compliance over innovation. It protects process over results.
He stressed that youth involvement is key to building trust between communities and government, saying fresh ideas and energy can help tackle inefficiency, slow service, and outdated procedures.
I'm interested in you right here in this hall. You are the makers of industry in Jamaica. You will come up to inherit the businesses and run them in Jamaica. We depend on you. You are the private sector. You will make Jamaica grow.
Prime Minister Holness also encouraged young people to adopt an outcomes-focused approach, valuing real results over mere activity. He highlighted the need for a cultural shift within the public service, emphasizing impact over compliance.
I want to see things done. I want to see the objective attained. That's culture. There is very little that can be done to legislate that. We have to get you thinking differently so that when you come into the public service, you come with an outcomes mindset.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.